Hey y'all, what's up? It's Khadijah. We are about to do our skincare right now. I'm lounging around the house and yeah, your girl needs to go to bed, and let's take off this makeup before I hop in the shower. I was kind of just like cleaning up my house and just like chilling and getting some things done and editing, and I want to show you guys my skincare. We're testing out a few new products because I'm very excited. A few of these are from like the drugstore, and then a couple of them are just products that one of my friends sent to me, and I'm really excited to try all of them, but I don't really know what to use. So we're gonna use the help of ChatGPT because it's like my own little personal assistant, and you know, when you don't know something, ChatGPT has always helped me. And so yeah, we're gonna do some skincare together. So let's wash my face first. It's Prequel, and I actually, when I went to Nashville, I saw that my stepmom had this in her bathroom. I was like, I need that. And so this is just a cleansing oil, and yeah, I'm gonna use it and lather it in my hands and then rub it all over my face, and it just feels so nice to kind of get all of that product. Guys, I forgot to put on my headband, so let's put that on because it's not too late. Now we're going in with the Hydro Boost. This is from Neutrogena, and I really like this cleanser. I recently got it and it's so nice. It lathers in my hands and feels so good. Even one pump is like a size of a quarter, so I like to just work this into my hands, get it all sudsy. That's it. We just cleansed the skin. It's feeling very, very clean. I will say, I feel like this product cleans my skin so good, and I love that. So my skin feels super, super clean. Just to be sure, I want to go in with this Garnier Skincare Micellar Water because I want to make sure my skin is actually clean. Oh, double cleansing works so good. This is one side of the pad and this is the other side of the pad. Wow, one wipe. No, I'm actually shook because I used to use like the micellar water to get everything off, but I like the 3-step process of like the double cleansing and then the micellar water. So yeah, we're about to switch to that. Thank you. Okay, now we're about to go into my bedroom and do the rest of the skincare because I want to do the rest like sitting down and relaxing. Also, I want to grab my tea, so let's go get the tea. All right, y'all, so I just put all of my products into ChatGPT, and it's saying the first step is to use a gentle exfoliant, and so it's saying I can use the Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant, but it says only if my skin feels rough and it feels like I have buildup in texture. And honestly, I feel like my skin feels pretty smooth, so I don't need to exfoliate today, so we're gonna skip that step. Next thing, it says fade dark spots, apply the Banish Dark Spot Corrector, and that is what this is right here. Okay, y'all, I just let it sit for 45 seconds, so we're gonna go in with this product by The Ordinary. Now we're going to moisturizer or face oil. Use Carbon Star Face Oil, perfect for soothing post-retinol skin. Apply 2 to 4 drops and press into your face gently. If you have a basic moisturizer, you can lay it under or over the oil. So I'm gonna be using this right here. Done. And now we're about to go to bed, so love you.
Good night. Hey y'all, good morning. It's the next day and I'm about to do my morning skincare. Well, I had already put on one product, but I want to show you guys. So I ended up using the Banish Dark Spot Corrector with vitamin C and E oil. For face moisturizer, we're going to go in with this CeraVe moisturizer. Alright you guys, I just finished my skincare. It's all done. Oh, for lips, I put this Aquaphor on my lips. And that's all I'm going to be doing today. And then for like makeup, I'm probably just going to add on a little bit of brow gel and call it a day. That's really all for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.